Okay, here's a pretty standard kind of a bicycle wheel. What you want to do first is take your fingers on here and push it so the bead of the tire goes to the center. This is going to give you some slackness in the tire. So you go all the way around, you can just go zip around like that, flip it around the other way, and do the same thing on the other side. So you're pushing the tire bead in towards the middle. Okay, so you do that. Take your tire lever. It has a hook on it here. You don't want to start near the valve, start somewhere else. Let's just start right up here. So you're just going to take your thumb and put it on here, peel the tire back. Carefully, actually you don't have to be careful because your tire's wrecked anyway. So we're just going to get the thing off. You put it under the rim here, put it under the bead, flip it forward like this. You're going to grab it with this hand, grab the rim with this hand, pull it towards you. Off comes the tire. Boom. So we're just going to take the tire right off like that. Now to mount it. Okay, we're going to do tire first. Tire goes on one side. Tube comes next. Find the valve hole. Put the valve. There we go. Take the valve, shove it through the hole. Now we're just going to work the tube into the tire. Casing like this, go all the way around. Now we're going to start at the bottom of the tire away from the valve. And all we're doing is we're just pushing with our hands, pushing the tire back on like this with our thumbs. As we work around, we're going to check, make sure that the tire, the tube isn't getting caught up. So we just kind of push with our fingers a little bit and then keep working our way around. Pop, 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 pop. Now we get to the end here. If it's going on tight, go back around and do that thing I showed you at first where you push the tire in towards the center. If it is going on tight, set it on something flat like the top of a garbage can. And you're going to want to take your two hands and work it like this, pushing it back on. Push, push, watch, push. Take the heel of your hand, push, boom, it's on. A lot of times you'll get a bump right here, so you take the valve stem, you push it up, pull it back down. Make sure you press the valves open, inflate your tire, and you're done. Once it's inflated, give it a little spin. Make sure it doesn't have a bump in it. If it does, deflate it, and just work the tire around like this and make sure that your tire isn't, your tube isn't caught up under the bead of the tire. You can see it up under there if you look. That's it. That's all there is to it. But I can help you too, Evan.